Today video. My name is Gregor and today we're going to show you a test we performed with the new Steiner Ranger 8 series. In this video particularly we're going to cover the ballistic turret test at the Ranger 8 4-32 by 56 rifle scopes with ballistic turret. And the additional rifle scopes that are coming within this Ranger 8 series are 1-8 by 24, Ranger 8 2-16 by 50 with or without ballistic turret, and then there is the Ranger 8 3-24 by 56 with or without ballistic turret, and the one we've tested with where we performed the ballistic turret test, the Ranger 8 4-32 by 56 with ballistic turret. Our test was performed on 3 different distances, and our goal was to check if the Steiner Zero Mode is working correctly. So we had targets at 100 meters, 200 meters and 300 meters, and we decided to shoot continuously at 100, 200, 300, back to 200, back to 100, again to 200 and 300 and back and forth, with only adjusting the ballistic turret, parallax, and that's it. And to see if the ballistic turret with the Steiner Zero Mode is going to work well. In the video that is following, you will be able to decide on your own. We have to mention that this rifle, on the day when we were shooting, has put, let's say, 400 rounds minimum, and the day was very hot. We were shooting at about 12 o'clock, so it was fully very bright, hot day, and yeah, there was some mirage, but I am gonna say that the rifle scopes performed well. And there is another new product, as you know, the Steiner Ranger binocular LRF 10-42, which we are also going to cover in the next video. So enjoy the video which is following and comment below.
What? Now we're going to 200.
Masz?
Ne, sonce ful jebe. Sonce ful jebe, pravim.
Ja, imaš približno. Koliko boš imel?
Ja. Čakaj. Čakaj. Mam. Ok.
Now we're going to 300 meters. This is the camera on the monitor. Center. Back to 200 meters.
Jo.
For 100 meters. Masz?
Čakaj. Ja.
Now we're going to 200 meters again.
Jo.
Masz?
Ja.
On 300 meters. Back on 200 meters.
Mam.
And 100 meters. And the final one on 300 meters.
To?
We can keep doing this all day.